Hi, I'm Hillary and I'm the president of Anthropology. I really enjoy baking because A, it's a creative outlet for me, B, it really helps me think through things, and 3, it's really a way for me to share love with those around me. In these uncertain times, there are things that remain certain. We'll still have Easter, we'll still have Passover, there will still be blue skies and birthdays and celebrations, and a cake is a perfect way to share with those around you. So before I get started, I thought I would introduce you to my boss. This is Biggie, and he'll be supervising this cake baking experiment. So let's get to it. What we're going to bake today is a milk and honey cake. It's light and springy and beautiful. So here we go. I have a stick and a half of room temperature butter. I'm gonna cream it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add the sugar. Add the eggs very slowly, about a tablespoon at a time. Next, I'm going to add a third of the flour mixture. I have this already pre-sifted. It's flour, baking powder, and salt, and I'm going to add it in thirds, alternating it with my buttermilk mixture. Buttermilk, honey, and vanilla. You just keep doing this until you're out of both of the dry and the wet ingredients. The one thing that's critical with flour is that you're not directly scooping it from the canister because that will turn your cake into a literal meringue. And I learned that the hard way, by the way. I'm not the neatest baker, but it's made with love. I have 2 pans that I've prepared. I greased them and then I cut out parchment paper to line the bottom. I just want to distribute it evenly in each pan. Tap it out. Time for it to pop in the oven. 350 degrees, I have my oven preheated, just put them in next to each other. So we're back, we have a cooled cake. I've made my whipped cream, and I'm gonna start assembling. I've never done this on camera or in front of anyone before, it's kind of nerve-wracking. I have my second cake ready to go. Just place it right on top. And then you drizzle honey on the top. I'm gonna finish it some berries. And voila, she's done. She's not perfect, but she's made with love. Sending love from my house to yours. Be well, stay safe.